Dear students, in the course of our online e-classroom, many teachers are posting their study material and taking test in different manner in which they are convenient or suitable from both sides. I should first clear one thing that this guided video neither propose or nor instructs you all to respond or submit to your different test copies of other teachers in this manner shown or proposed in this video made by me. So make this video applicable to my classroom only. My students, since you know that you are all associated with SBH classroom for prolonged about 40 days since lockdown announced, and your cooperation in this regard is highly appreciable. But I feel no shame to confess that neither you nor me are well conversant of different approaches of online classroom. Issue is that many of you made a complaint that your score is showing missing in spite of getting a instant score after submission of the papers. So please follow this trick at the time of submission to eliminate that type of error. So first coming in the video, see here a demo classroom has been made in my e-classroom, and a demo mail ID of a student has been made so that I can make understand you. So from my classroom a test has been posted to a student class, to a student room, and this is the mailbox of the student. Okay, so you see that a mail has come from Saurabh Bhattacharya, new assignment, demo test. You just press this one and then scroll. Second step, press open. This window will come. Here you will see demo test 1 SBH. You click this link. A page open. Demo test 1 SBH. Here mail ID. This mail ID is your individual mail ID. This is mandatory to fill up, otherwise the submission would be incomplete. So here you will type as a student, and my mail ID is student mail ID is preset, that's why it is coming. So the question is sun rises in the east, west, north, south. I just know the correct answer is east. Okay, 2 questions has been given for 2 points, each of 2 points. 2 questions, 4 point total credit. How many sense organ are in human body? Willingly we will do the mistake, and there is 3. And now you have to press submit button. After submission you can see the view score. This is the page in which you have to go upside with this cursor. Place this cursor in the website link, and at that time, keeping this cursor in the website link, press the left button of the mouse. Then press the right button of the mouse to copy it just. Okay. After copying, you are now in this page. This is the window open. You see, come the just left side window, and then come the second left side window. Here you see your work is Here we see your work turned in, no work attached, unsubmit. First you have to press unsubmit. Okay, press unsubmit. Then you will press your work add or create, left button. You have already copied the link. Again left button of the mouse, and here right button to paste the link. Now just press add link. So your work is now assigned. Okay, now the press turn in button. Here the message comes, one attachment will be submitted for the classroom. Press the turn in button. See, so this is the final submission of your given assignment or quiz test. It may be here it is written 100 points, no issue, but this is the final submission of your given assignment. So just please pursue this one to avoid this type of mistake from the next assignment. Thanks to all of you.